Well, good morning, namaste. Welcome to the online classes. Dear children, as the whole syllabus is going to be finished, only few chapters are left to be taught. I request you to read seriously so that you could take your final examination in a proper way. I am not sure, but there is a chance that your final examination may be conducted offline. This pandemic corona will continue till December or in January. In January, I suppose your school will start. So you have a very less time to prepare yourself. So it's my request to prepare yourself for your final examination. Here the chapter, a house is not a home. Here you see the typical topic. A house is not a home. What is a house and what is a house? House is a building in somebody lives. Housing society where so many apartments, flats are there. When a house turns home, when somebody lives there, there is a saying, very famous saying, that man makes house, woman makes home. We can build homes by laying bricks, windows, and something like that. But home is a place where love is shared and everything is cared. It is the most comfortable place in the world. And we feel happy to return back to our home. Wherever you go, even you are living in a very luxurious way, you always wish to return to your house because the house in which you have lived, it has a very past, a very beautiful past, or it may be a very sad past, but you want to go back to the house because everything in that house is well known to you. In the locality you are known to you, and you are always welcome when you are returned to the house, and you feel relaxed that at least I have returned to my house. So here the story the story reflects the challenge of being a teenager. As you all are a teenagers, from 13 to 19 you are a teenager, teen. So they reflect the challenges of being a teenagers. Being a teenagers, how many challenges are you are facing, and how you try to overcome those challenges that is you counter encounter with. I agree. So, and the problem growing up, every day you are facing some challenge and you're trying to overcome. Every day the problem is growing up. So, how, as a teenager, the author overcomes the problem or the challenges that comes into his life? Here you see, my first year of high school felt awkward. The first year of high school, he was rather bit awkward. Awkward is a situation we are not feeling comfortable. It is an uncomfortable situation. Awkward is an uncomfortable situation that you are in. So here the narrator hits upon that he felt awkward, restlessness, troublesome, not good. After leaving junior at the head of my class with all seriously to upper grade, the narrator was reading in middle class or a middle school. he was upgraded to 9 as you are. As you are in the grade, everybody, whoever is reading in class 9, they must have attained 13 years. 12 years up to 6 or 7. The CBSE has planned that, or maybe like that. But it is very sure that now from 7th you are upgraded to 8 to upgraded, middle से high में आ गए, senior secondary में. Now you are senior secondary. So levels could be afford him. It felt strange staring over the freshest bed. The school was twice as big as you are very fortunate that right from the beginning you are reading in a very, very big school. Our school is a very big school. Here classes runs from LKG to 12th. But I am talking about those students who are coming from a school that is a place like Sagnamore, a place like DAV Patliputra, or so many schools where only class 7, till class 7, studies or classes are being conducted. There you get a short building, short number of teachers. But here, when you enter into that big gigantic building, a lot of teachers, big sparkling field, so many classes, almost 67, 80 classes are there. So here you feel what? Here makes a matter worse. When he entered into the higher level, where the school, old school, twice big. Thus, the school is twice big as the school the narrator was reading. And that was the reason that it makes the worst. Why? Because here he find himself confused, lost in rooms, in crowds of the teacher, in the crowds of the room, where number of students are more than 4,000. So here you feel like that. My closest friends were sent to different high schools. I felt very, you see, normally in our school this is not practice. But imagine those students who are reading in DAV Arts Samaj. Some of the students may have opted DAV Khagon. They are reading in DAV. Those students who are living nearby DAV Arts Samaj or DAV Golari, they must have certainly opted. So here the friendship is snatched. Friendship is snatched. In your school also, your section in class 8 is mixed up, and different sections are allotted for different schools. It is not necessary that the classmate that previously you are reading with will be your classmate in the ninth. The system is like that. After passing it, we mix up all the numbers and rearrange the class so that the shuffling, there is a shuffling, reshuffle. The school is reshuffled. The classes is reshuffled according to the merit. Every class has good boys. एक अच्छा क्लास बनाया जाता है कि सब क्लास में अच्छे बच्चे भी हों, एवरेज बच्चे भी हों, like that. So that is why that is the secret of a good result. We manage, we reshuffle the class in that way that the students are benefited. Now, here, those students, due to reshuffling, were not allotted to those class, those friend is not in, who were in class 8 or 7. Let out 8. Your friend might not be your friend in this class 9. Here the narrator was in same kind of a situation. Here the narrator was in the same kind of situation. He is feeling isolated as his friends were admitted. They admitted in a different school. They admitted in a different school, and that was the reason of their isolation. That was the reason of their isolation. So isolated. I missed my old teachers. Quite naturally. You missed your teachers, those teachers who were with you for so many years. Those teachers who have taught you lovingly and carefully. You always missed them. Reason is very simple. Because your association with your teacher is a very sympathetical. It is natural. So here, narrator missed his old teachers. He missed his old friends, old friends, and old teachers. He missed it. The narrator missed his old friends, old teachers, and it's a school also. It's a school. Because for more than 5 years, 6 years, they have spent a quality time over there. It is quite natural that there is an emotional bondage between your old school and with the passage of time, the same bondage, maybe more healthier bondage will develop when you will read 9, 10, 11, 12. In 4 years, you will develop the same kind. It may be possible that you will develop more love, more affection. So this is the but in the class ninth, when you were admitted and we came to attend your first class, you are a little bit nervous. Now you are a changed man. Now that I would go back and visit them. What he decided? That he will go back and visit the old teachers. He will go back to that school and will meet those teachers who used to teach. Many alumni, our student, even after 4 years, after passing your 12th, you will be admitted somewhere. And after 10 years in back, you return to your school or you meet somewhere, sir, do you remember me? I was your student. No, when you were a ninth, you used to teach me in class 9. That is the thing, that is very common thing that there is a relation between the student and teacher. They encourage me to get involved in the school and the teacher. The old teacher, how they know, ma'am, I miss you. Your words are like that. Sir, I am missing you. What is our response? We say, no, my dear child. You may miss me, it's very good thing, but you should try to adjust with the new facility, with the new accommodation, with the new teaching methodology. And this is the encouragement. This is the encouragement. What is that? They have the old teacher involve you to get involved into your school, new school activity. How when you are involved in school activity, you are going to meet new friend. Old friend will be itself replaced by the new friends. Itself new friends. Itself new friends आ जाएंगे. How? By involving. If you start involving yourself with a school activity, it is quite natural that there will be improve in your list of friends said, I could meet, they told me that in the time I would adjust and probably end up the loving my new skills. Here you see. What is the, look at the very, very important fact. Time is the great healer. Don't be impatient, my dear children. Give time to time. समय को समय दीजिए. If you are impatient, no. Give a little bit time to your time. The time will itself make certain adjustments. Here, with the passage of time, you will mix up. How you mix up? In a year. In 4 or 5 months, you mix up so nicely, and the teacher mix up with you so nicely that you completely forget about those things. So, of course, it is quite natural, but we are, if we you involve yourself with your new system, with your new school, with your new teacher, with your new administration, you itself will find this. So get it. They made me promise that when that happened, I would still come to visit. This is simple. This is simple. Your teacher every time promised me. Whenever you need me, you call me. I am just living. अभी मैं मतलब आगे कुछ you go also. The student used to interact the teachers. The student who is teaching in turn, if I am teaching, it's good every time. They interact with me. They talk on different subjects. They meet in the school campus. While I am passing through, Miss Talk, sir, please make me understand this. So this is the thing. Children adjust. We also adjust. So it is a psychology. What is the psychology? Psychology is the study of your mind. Psychology, PSY, psycho, psychology. It is a study of, it's a study of mind. So this is the psychological part of your life. Psychology. What they say, but I took some comfort in it. So these are the psychological parts, and by listening these things, the narrator was a little bit passive. Now, once again, till this part, paragraph number 1 and 2. In paragraph number 1, you have seen, you have read that how narrator was admitted in a new school where in the new environment he has been no one friends, he is missing all his teachers, he is missing all his school. The new student in the new school, the narrator is missing the school, old friends, old teachers. He is feeling isolated. He is feeling isolated. Why he was feeling isolated? He was feeling isolated because he had been admitted to the new school. He was promoted. He was promoted, and now from the old school, from the middle to higher, where he is missing his old school, old friends, old teachers. Then these are the reason of seclusions and isolation. Now, the second paragraph, this is the first paragraph. In the second paragraph, the advice, how you call it, get rid of the isolation. This is the very important thing. If you felt you isolated in the new school, you try to involve in the school activity. How to get involved in the, this is very simple, involved in the school activity. And the teacher, whenever you meet that old teacher, they encourages you to try to involve in the school activity so that you can make new friends. And when you will make, and they try to tell you to try to adjust, and these are the psychological part, and in this way the narrator is adjusted into that. Now how the home is, how the house is turned into, why, why the old school is a home like a place, because it was very much familiar to him. Why a place like home is very sweet? Because it is familiar to you. There is your friends, there is your neighborhood. They know you very well. They call you by their name. They greet you. They meet you. They celebrate success and failure with you. And your parents are there. That is why the house becomes home. So here, home is the old school. How the new house can be turned into home. The house, that is the new building, the new school, the new class, how it can be turned into a home-like place. Here, involve the surroundings. Of course, too much involvement is not good, but try to know how. Try to mix up. Try to make new friends. Involved in the new activity. If you will involve in the new activity, once you are involved in the new activity, there is an end of isolation. There is an end of frustration. You will be engaged, and when you are engaged, the positive thoughts will start coming up. Sitting idle, it's all makes it dull. If you are sitting idle, John makes a boy sitting idle a very negative person. So, here it is a very, very simple thing that the narrator has highlighted. Now, come to the third paragraph. In the third paragraph, one Sunday afternoon, not long, I had started high school. The narrator is describing one afternoon. It was an incident of a Sunday afternoon. I was sitting at home at our dining room table doing homework. The narrator was at home and he was busy with his homework. It was a cold and windy fall day, and we had a fire going to our fireplace. The description about the home, cold, winter, fire, there is a fireplace. As usual, my red tabby cat was lying on the top of my paper. The cat, the cat that the narrator has domesticated, it was lying on the paper, sweating my pen and intending to sick. Here, look at the description. Now, she was never far from me. I had rescued her when she was a kitten. Kitten is a small. The young one of a cat is known as a kitten. The young one of a dog is known as puppy. So kitten is not a cat. छोटे बच्चे जो होते हैं बिल्ली, kitten. And somehow she knew that I was the one responsible for giving her the good life. Even animal can understand. Here you see the narrator is describing about his personal experience. My mother kept stoking the fire to keep the house nice and warm. Suddenly I smelled something strange, and then I noticed the smoke pouring through the seams to ceiling. The smoke began to fall room quickly, we could barely see. The smoke started filling in the house and room quickly, the pouring through the seams of ceiling, the roof of the house started pouring smokes and it filled. Groping, our was the way to front door. We all ran out in front of the wall. By the time we made our way outside, the whole roof was engulfed in the flame. The house into which narrator was living was on fire. How? As if her mother was trying to add more fuel to the fire, the ceiling of the fire caught, the ceiling of the house caught in the fire. ऊपर के सीलिंग में आग made of wooden. So gradually the fire spread and it engulfed the whole house. It engulfed the whole house was in like just like a place of a fireball and the whole family come out. I ran to the neighbor to call the fire department. When there is a fire, we rush to the our nearby place and make a call 100 fire. I watched my brother run back into the house. The brother. So my mother then ran out of the house carrying a small metal spoon. Whenever they start running and trying to save the things, the costly things, she dropped the case on the lawn and in tears. Crazy state, crazy state. Why she was in crazy state, you will come to know. In crazy state, in madness, she rushed. I knew what she was after. Can you guess what she made? She was after that. You will see. She was going to let the picture and lantern go to the flame. My father had died, and when I was young, she was crazy about that photograph. The picture, the last token of his father's memory was the only picture. So she rushed like a mad woman for that picture, a picture of her husband that was kept inside in the home. She was crazy for that photograph. And certain that she is not going to let the picture and let it go to the flame. Even she is not going to leave the picture and let it to be flame. They were only thing that she had to remember. These are only the two tokens of love. That is photographs, narrator's father's photograph, and the lantern. The two things were the things that is kept as the token of memory by her mother. The photographs and the lantern. The photographs and the lantern. Only the two things that were kept as a token of memory. And so she is not going to let it miss, even if at the cost of life. Here you see how a strong feeling narrator mother has had for his husband. It's quite natural. We have a very strong feelings for our parents, for our family. And it is that strong feeling, it is that strong love, it is that extra love and affection that makes a house. We miss that thing. We miss those loving words. We miss those caring words of our parents, of our brother and sister. You go somewhere, you might be living in London, USA, but there you miss the family. You are alone there with your even with your wife and children. You are only a nuclear family over there. only a few people. But whenever you land in Patna, oh my God, each and everybody is knowing. Each and every place is known. I sometimes I wonder that wherever I cross, I meet somebody known to me. Not a single area in Patna I crossed and I never meet. ऐसा कभी हो ही नहीं सकता. कहीं से भी गली वाले दानापुर से जा रहे अगर रुके रहे 2-4 दिन भी रुके तो 2-4 आदमी. Even my student, sir, आप इधर. This is what we are so known. कहीं कोई बाहर लेकर अरे भैया आप इधर कहाँ घूम रहे हो. So this is you see, but if this is what you miss in a stranger place, or you are known only to those. It takes years and decades, generations and generation pass, then you are known to the place. आप बहुत सालों 25 साल तक 50 साल तक रहेंगे तब आप एक रिकॉग्नाइज होगा कि मास्टर साहब वहां पर रहते थे. दिस इज what, but this is utterly different in metro, in Bombay, in Kolkata, in Delhi. Who is living next to you? Nobody. If somebody dies, they are hardly concerned. कभी मिला भी तो कुछ आपके घर में कुछ हुआ था क्या? Oh my God! This is a life of a metropolitan, but the life of a city like Patna is not the life of a metro. Even in metros, the old people meet to each other, but the new people hardly mix. Dear children, we take a leave, mix up, and then you see. So, it is time for your story. Let us see and start. How many of you are interested? So, it is time for you. Now you ask. I am unmuting myself. Please, it is your turn. Please ask your question. I am waiting for your query. Only 3 minutes, only 2 minutes are left. It is your time to ask the question. Please ask.